wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 7 best tattoo kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7, the Solong TK356 comes with 40 8ml bottles of colored ink and 1 large 10-ounce bottle of blank ink, so you should be able to get through a lot of designs before needing to order more. It also includes 10 different sizes of stainless steel needle tips. It is value priced for beginners, but these cheap inks are best for practice, and the foot pedal remote is poor quality. At number 6, despite the name, the Shark Pro is only suitable as a beginner set. Its low cost makes it the perfect choice to start learning how to tattoo, but the inconsistent power source means you may want to upgrade before moving on to human skin. It includes 6 different machines and a DVD of reference designs. However, there's no ink included. Coming in at number 5 on our list, those new to the tattoo arts will love the instructional materials that come with the Pirate Face Grinder. The 2-hour DVD, along with the 240-page instructional booklet, cover all the fundamentals of learning the art, plus tips for planning out your career. It comes with 8 stainless steel tips, but the machines do not come pre-tuned, and the included ink doesn't stick well. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tattoo kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, the eyepower SR01 is an economical choice if you want to outfit yourself with just the basics. It comes with 2 ready-to-use guns and a variety of different sized line and shading needles. It also comes with a lockable, lightweight plastic kit box. It even includes practice skin and is compact for easy storage. However, the instructional DVD is poor. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Hildbrandt Advanced contains the brand shader and liner machines that you can continue using beyond the apprentice phase of your inking career. While some of the accessories in the kit are not the same high quality, the machines are worth the high price. It features 7 ink colors, a rugged dual power supply, and multiple training materials. At number 2, the Rehab Ink Complete comes with a cool skull ink holder and 7 bottles of Mom's Millennium ink. The 2 machines have high-quality brass contacts, plus this kit features a mountable LED light to ensure you can create consistent designs. It's equipped with guns that have accurate needle placement, a stainless steel foot pedal, and aftercare ointment. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Dragonhawk Complete lives up to its name, as it has everything you need to get started as a skin artist. You'll get 9 different starter machines that are designed to be lightweight and low on vibrations to prevent fatigue. It features a reliable and consistent power box, a locking travel case, and 20 vegan inks. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tattoo kits, or simply click beneath this video.